Hello students, in this class we will learn arithmetic mean. Okay, so first of all we have to learn what do you mean by arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of two number is that number which along with that number will form an AP. Okay, so arithmetic mean of two numbers is that number which along with that two numbers will form an AP. Okay, if we say there are some arithmetic means between two numbers, then we will understand there are more than one numbers which are along with those two numbers will create an AP. Okay, so now let us study about arithmetic mean. Definition. Arithmetic mean or means is or are that or those number or numbers which is or are along with the given two numbers will create or will form an AP. Okay, so what do you mean by arithmetic mean or means? Arithmetic mean or means is or are that or those number or numbers which is or are along with the given two numbers will form an AP. Okay, if there is a arithmetic mean between A and B, then that number with A and B will create an AP. That means if X is the arithmetic mean of A and B, then by the definition of arithmetic mean, we can say that A X B form an AP. That is 2x equals to A plus B, imply x equals to A plus B whole divided by 2. So, the arithmetic mean between A and B is A plus B whole divided by 2. Okay. If x is the arithmetic mean of A and B, then by the definition of arithmetic mean, we can say that AXB form an AP. That is 2x equals to A plus B imply x equals to A plus B whole divided by 2. So this give us this conclusion, that is when that is the arithmetic mean between A and B is A plus B whole divided by 2. Already we know if three numbers ABC are in AP, then we have 2B equals to A plus C. So by that concept, we can write when A, X, B are in AP, then 2x equals to A plus B. This will give x equals to A plus B whole divided by 2. So this help us to conclude that when there is a arithmetic mean between A and B, then the arithmetic mean is A plus B whole divided by 2. Okay. So if there are more numbers as arithmetic mean between A and B, if x and y are the arithmetic means, are the arithmetic means between A and B, then x comma A, sorry, then A, X, Y and B will form an AP, where first term A1 equals to A, second term A2 equals to X, third term A3 equals to Y, fourth term A4 equals to B. Okay, if x and y are the arithmetic means between A and B, then A, X, Y and B will form an AP. Where the first term A1 is A, second term A2 is X, third term A3 is Y and fourth term A4 is B. Okay, so this is the concept about arithmetic mean. So to more clear our view about arithmetic mean, here we consider two problems. In the first problem, we have to find four arithmetic means between 8 and 68. Okay, so let us study how we can find four arithmetic means between 8 and 68. Solution 1. here we have to find 4 arithmetic means between 8 and 68. So the AP becomes 8 this. So these are the these and these. These are the arithmetic means between 8 and 68. Okay. So here we have to find these 4 blanks where this is term number 2 A2, this is term number 3 A3, this is term number 4 A4 and this is term number 5 A5. That means for this AP, the first term is A1 equals to 8. This is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term and this is fifth term A5. And this is the sixth term. That is sixth term for this AP is A6 equals to 68. Okay. Now, if we want to find then these 4 arithmetic means, then we have to know the common difference. Okay. Let the common difference be D. So therefore, A6 equals to 68 imply A plus A1 plus 6 minus 1 into D equals to 68 imply 8 plus 5D equals to 68 imply 5D equals to 68 minus 8 imply D equals to 60 by 5 imply D equals to 12. So the common difference becomes 12. So therefore A2 equals to A1 plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is 8 plus 1 into 12 will give 8 plus 12 equals to 20. A3 equals to A1 plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 8 plus 2 into 12, that is 8 plus 24 equals to 32. A4, this A1 plus 4 minus 1 into D, this 8 plus 3 into 12, that is 8 plus 36 equals to 44. A5, A1 plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is 8 plus 4 into 12, that is 8 plus 48 equals to 56. Okay. So A2, A3, A4 are the arithmetic means, are the 4 arithmetic means between 8 and 68. So therefore, the 4 arithmetic means between 8 and 68 are 20, 20, 32, 44 and 56. So this is the way by which we can find arithmetic means between two numbers. Okay. In question number 2, it is given that the arithmetic mean between x and y is x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 whole divided by x to the power n plus y to the power n. We have to find the value of n. That means for which value of n, x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 whole divided by x to the power n plus y to the power n will be the arithmetic mean between x and y. Okay, so let us study how we can find the value of n. Given arithmetic mean between x and y is x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 whole divided by x to the power n plus y to the power n. We have to find n. Since the arithmetic mean between x and y is x plus y whole divided by 2, by following this concept, the arithmetic mean between two numbers x and y is x plus y whole divided by 2. Therefore, x plus y whole divided by 2 is equals with the given arithmetic mean of x and y, that is x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 whole divided by x to the power n plus y to the power n. This implies 2 into x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 is equals to x to the power n plus 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 whole into x plus y by cross multiplication. 2 into x to the power n plus 1 plus 2 into y to the power n plus 1 is equal with multiplying these two we get x to the power n into x will give x to the power n plus 1 plus this will give x into y to the power n plus this will give x to the power n into y plus y to the power n into y will give y to the power n plus 1. Now we have to bring all the right hand side term in the left hand side. Minus x to the power n plus 1 minus x into y to the power n minus x to the power n into y minus y to the power n plus 1 equals to 0. This and this are the like terms. Subtraction of these two will give x to the power n plus 1, because this is like 2a minus a, where x to the power of n plus 1 is like a. So this will give 2a minus a equals to a. That means 2 into x to the power of n plus 1 minus x to the power of n plus 1 will give x to the power of n plus 1. Where a is equals with. Similarly, this and these are the like terms. They are like 2a minus a. So this will give y to the power of n plus 1 minus x to the power a minus x into y to the power n minus x to the power n into y equals to 0. Now, if we arrange these terms to factorize, then we will get x to the power n plus 1 minus x to the power n into y minus x into y to the power n plus y to the power of n plus 1 equals to 0. Taking x to the power n from the first two term as the common factor, we get x to the power n into x minus y. From this last two term, minus y to the power n is the common factor. The rest of the term becomes x minus y. This equals to 0. Now this is a term and this is another term. Within these two terms, x minus y is the common factor. So x minus y whole into x to the power n minus y to the power n equals to 0. Now the product of these two terms, that is x minus y into x to the now the product of these two terms, that is x minus y and x to the power n minus y to the power n is 0. Since the product of these two terms is 0, then we can write this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Okay. Now if we equal this with 0, then we will get x equals to y, which is not possible because x and y are two different terms. Thus, we can write x to the power n minus y to the power n equals to 0, since x minus y not equals to 0, as x minus y equals to 0 imply x equals to y. That is, the terms will be equal. From this, we get x to the power n is equal to y to the power n. So from this we can write x to the power n equals to 1 into y to the power n. This will give x to the power n by y to the power n equals to 1. This will give x by y whole to the power n is equals to 1. Okay. By following exponents formula. This will give x by y whole to the power n equals to x by y whole to the power 0. Because something to the power 0 is 1, that is why we can express this 1 as x by y whole to the power 0. This will give n equals to 0. By following this formula, a to the power m equals to a to the power n imply m equals to n. Now, by following this exponent formula, a to the power m equals to a to the power n, we can write m equals to n. So, this implies x by y whole to the power n equals to x to the power 0, x by y whole to the power n equals to x by y whole to the power 0, imply n equals to 0. So, the required value of n is 0. So this is the way by which we can find the value of n. Okay. In our next class, we will learn how we can find the sum of the numbers which are in AP. Okay.